How to redeem Honkai Star Rail codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem Honkai Star Rail codes. For this, open up any web browser and search for Redeem Honkai Star Rail codes. Then, out of the search results, you want to click on the first one, which is Redeem Code. Once you click on this website, here on this page, before redeeming a code, you have to log into your account and make sure you have created a character in the game and have linked your Hoyoverse account in the user center. Otherwise, you will not be able to redeem the code. So go ahead and click on the login option. Then over here, enter your username or email. Once you have entered that, enter your password on the second box. Now click on the login option. If you are new to this, click on the register now option to sign up. Once you have logged into your account, you want to select a server first. Click on this drop down menu and select a server. Your character nickname will automatically be detected over here. You can enter that manually as well. Once that is done, you want to enter the redemption code. Once you have entered the redemption code, click on the redeem option. After redeeming a code, you will receive the redeemed item via in-game mail. Log into the game to claim it. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.